gonna get you to do is he's gonna V it. I'm gonna get you to pull. You got
put tension on it.
You got tons of fucking slack. You won't even come close. But he's gonna V it. Start pulling on it. Keep it and try to keep it tight, and then he's gonna slowly come. Oh, you put your fucking dash cam in the back. Nice.
Welcome to YouTube, boys.
That's right. Amateur tree removal.
Hey, welcome to YouTube.
He put his dash cam in the back window. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop people over there.
Get the girl going. Oh, come on.
Jeff! Jeff! Why don't you stop people from coming in over there?
Yeah, he's trying to
be right across. Okay, Gord, want to bring it up?
I take it the hitch is good on that now.
I wrapped it, hooked it to the tow hook. Okay, slow down. Keep going, you got 20 more feet. Okay, that's good right there. Hold up. When you see it start to come, fucking give it. Okay, he's being it now.
Yeah.
When it starts to go, I want you to fucking pull that thing as hard as you can. I don't want that thing hitting the fucking house or the fence.
Don't worry. This thing?
That's what I said. Is this thing will pull it over? Okay, start pulling just a little bit, not too hard. Okay, hold on.
Just went there.
Oh, you're okay. It just came off the obstacle. Slow. Okay, keep coming.